Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard lag or delay in Windows 11, 10 PC or laptop. First method is update Windows. Second method is accessibility option. Third method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Change repeat rate to fast. Fourth method is update keyboard driver. Fifth method is uninstall keyboard driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.